Hey, hi everyone. This is Chetan. I will give you a quick snippet on Oracle Database course, which is designed for 19C and 21C. My total experience is 13 plus years, and my training experience is 7 years. So, if you trust me, guys, this is very, very important. You need not to have only your core experience, but to deliver it, you should have good and sound training experience as well. So, these are some bullet points which are sufficient enough to draw my profile journey. I have good experience in manufacturing, telecom, as well as finance domain. Currently, I'm working for one of the reputed fintech organization. I am OC and OCP certified. I am also professional trainer for RAC, which is Real Application Cluster. So certainly we can have some topics, few important features which can be introduced in our DBA part as well. I have hands-on on Golden Gate, then automation for database with Jenkins, and then as already mentioned, 7 plus years of experience for training, which counts for around close to 400 to 450 students so far, right from freshers to 15 or 18 years experience. Prerequisites from training. So only thing what we expect from you is good sound configuration laptop with at least 4 GB RAM and i3 plus processor. i5 or i7 is will be the best for us. Good to have is basics of SQL and basics of Linux. So kindly note, this is good to have, not at all mandatory. Even if you are new to this, we'll take care for that. So need not to worry. So before we start our course, these are the prerequisites we'll be following. So we need to install setup in your laptop. All the softwares and all the documents will be provided by us, as well as we'll be guiding you how to install the machine. Thereafter, we'll have overview on basics of SQL, as well as we'll be dealing with basics of Linux for you. So I will show you how this works. So this will be sort of setup which will be installed in your machine. This is Linux OS, which has been created on virtual machine. And this is database for you. You can perform multiple operations. Okay. Course details. So this is technical part. We have splitted our course in two sections, admin 1 and admin 2, which is similar in Oracle Corporation as well. For example, admin 1 will be starting with architecture. As of now, because of time constraint, we cannot discuss in detail regarding any of the topic, but in actual, we will be dealing with each and every individual topic along with theory as well as practical. For sake of an example, we'll discuss regarding architecture. So if you are slightly aware of the architecture, you can see over here, we have got memory region. This one is your memory region. Along with that, you have got physical section. So for physical section, you have got control files, data files, and then redo files. In Oracle database, we have got only three set of files, which we call it as CRD, control files, redo files, and data files. So to make it simpler, we have got separate chapters for control files, redo files, and table spaces, which consist of data files. So each and every topic will be aligned with practicals. It will not be the case like we are only dealing with theory, but no practicals. So every topic is having some set of task, exercises, and practical. For admin 2, it is comparatively heavy in practicals. If you compare it with admin 1, we have got heavy scenarios like backups, recovery. For recovery, we have got some set of permutation and combinations for different examples of recovery. Active cloning, in layman's language, we can call it as copy paste of a database. DR, what we called it as standby as well. So data guard configuration as well as management. So we'll be creating a data guard and we'll learn how to manage it as well. Patching of database, upgrade database to 21C. We can also do it for 12C to 19C. ASM. So guys, this is very, very important. ASM you need to learn for understanding rack architecture. Okay, so this is the most important topic in admin 2. Performance tuning will be dealing in detail how to fetch reports, how to read it. OEM, so OEM is nothing but graphical interface to manage your database. Let me show you. So this is graphical interface to monitor set of databases. From here, you can perform any task, right from getting down your database to monitor, to perform or to create any jobs and so on. Okay, so this will learn how to set it up, how to configure and manage it. And then lastly, catalog database. This is regarding admin 2 part. Okay. Thereafter, add-ons. So we'll also learn about container and pluggable database, which has been introduced in 12C. So pluggable database is completely different to the normal database. This is the most key feature in our course, rack overview. Okay. So we'll tell you about how clustering works, how multiple instances will be beneficial to achieve high availability. Okay, and rest of all the files will be sharing it with you in documents form. We'll have separate non-technical session for interview preparation. What are do's, what are don'ts, how to prepare a good resume. Okay, and then Q&A sessions. We'll provide you documents, some good books for your references. This is online batch, so anyway, video recordings will be available for you lifelong. And certifications. In case you are interested to perform OCA or OCP certifications, will help you for that. Okay. So this is our documents inventory. If you notice properly, we have got document for each and every individual topic we are covering in the sessions, right from database creation, for networking, for architecture, everything. For data guard, then for ASM, we have got documents. We'll also be sharing you assignments timely with you on regular intervals. We have got certain videos for performance tuning. Then the most important part, which is for rack. So these are all documents from our rack course, but these all will be shared with you. So you can practice on your own for rack, and anyway, you will be also having ASM instance with you. So these documents will assist you a lot. Okay. Importance of technology. So guys, I need not to talk much about this particular part. You might already be aware this professional or this particular field is one of the highest paid in IT industry, right? Apart from that, after DBA course, you can go for AI, you can go for data analyst, you can opt for architect part, right? So sky is the limit. You have got multiple career paths after this particular course. Regarding competitors, so we have got multiple players in the market: Postgres, MongoDB, Teradata, MS SQL, but Oracle captures more than 75% of the market. So no doubt it's the leader as of now. Apart from that, if you are aware of any of the technology in detail, right from architecture to backups, you can apply your logics on another database as well. You can understand different technologies accordingly in align with your current knowledge. Regarding certifications, we have got OCA and OCP. So basically, Oracle Certified Associate stands for Admin 1, while OCP will be covered in Admin 2. So once you thoroughly go through all the course, you can easily opt for the certifications. This can be attempted in any of the Pearson certified center. Radical is one of it, so you can opt there as well. That's it, guys. I have tried to wrap it up in the minimalistic time which is possible for me. I respect your time, so do connect with me in case of any doubts and concerns. We can discuss in depth for any technical doubts. Thank you.